everyone! Welcome to the channel dedicated to sharing the profound insights and wisdom of Andromedan contactee Alex Collier. If you're new here, you're in for a journey that expands your mind and consciousness, bringing you closer to understanding the messages from the fifth density Andromedan extraterrestrials. For those returning, we're grateful for your continued support. Before we dive into today's enlightening content, we have a small favor to ask. If you find value in the knowledge shared in this video, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your engagement helps us amplify Alex Collier's message, allowing us to reach a larger audience with these vital messages. We'd also love to hear from you, so please engage with the comments below. Whether it's a question, your thoughts, or even just an emoji for the sake of engagement, every comment counts. We read every single comment, and your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Additionally, if you'd like to support us further, consider giving a super thanks tip by clicking the heart with the $sign. This small gesture allows us to continue bringing you more of Alex's messages, unfiltered and directly from his lifelong experiences with the Andromedans. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video.
Can you elaborate more on how to operate in a cashless society and what that would look like? Thanks for being such a kind and relatable soul.
Well, thank you, Heximus. Heximus, I've never lived in a cashless society. I mean, I've been around one, but that was for 91 days. But I had a replicator. Whatever I wanted to eat, I would just go to my quarters and I would make from the machine. But I don't know. My entire existence on Earth in this life form, as a human being, a Terran, I've not lived in a cashless. I mean, I've been broke. I've been broke. You know.
That's cashless.
You know, it is. And what you do is you ask for help, or you go to a shelter and you ask for a meal, or you'll go to a restaurant and say, look, you know, for a hamburger, I will walk around and clean up your parking lot of all the paperwork, all the papers, the wrappers, the, you know, empty soda drink containers and everything. I will clean it all up for a hamburger or something. I've had to do that. I've done yard work. I've fixed cars, whatever I could do in order just to get some gas or two, just to get to the next day. I've lost everything 3 times. And I mean literally everything. And you learn a lot. It's hard. It's really hard. But what you learn is that you can survive. You also learn that with faith, all things are possible. And you learn that there is a higher power. There absolutely is a higher power. And it's not an extraterrestrial. It's not a swami. It's not a spiritual guru. It's not an ascended master. Okay, it's source itself, of which we all are a part of. Each one of us, whether you're an ascended master, whether you're an archangel, fallen angel, extraterrestrial, all of us are part of source. We begin and end with source. When you figure that out, then what you do when you really get that is you eliminate all the middlemen or middle women in the middle. And you go directly to the source of you. The Andromedans refer to that as isness. And it's their opinion that the worship of the isness is the creation of self. And just think about that the worship of the isness is the creation of self. And when you get that piece, then the first question you need to ask yourself is, why would you ever give your power away? And only each one of you individually can ask that. That question.
Hey, I hope you're enjoying today's video. Want to stay up to date with all the latest news from Alex Collier? Don't miss out. Sign up for his free email newsletter at alexcollier.news and be the first to know about his live webinars, new revelations, and exclusive insights. It's quick and easy, and you'll never miss an important update. Just click the link in the description or head to alexcollier.news to sign up now. And now back to our regular scheduled content.
How do you think the criminal justice system will change as we move into fourth?
Will we have a criminal justice system in fourth? Will it even be needed? I don't know. Third density has a very wide band of contrast. Fourth density is much smaller. Fifth density is even smaller than that. And in sixth, there's virtually no contrast. I say virtually. So if this is what it is now, and it's a shit show, to be sure, if we move into fourth, when we get to fourth, and it's this, there'll be less need for a Department of Justice, because this would imply that there's more mutual respect towards each other than there is what we have in third density. It may be that there's more individual how do I put this? There's more of the people in your circle sharing with you how your behavior is destructive. And therefore, those people in your circle that are closest to you are helping you to modify your own behavior without a prison, without jail, without being shot. If that even happens at fourth, I don't know. I've never been to fourth that I'm aware of. There's more self-monitoring in fourth. And in fifth, you pretty much have your shit together. You may do some stupid stuff, but it's stupid stuff. It's not something horrific. It's just stupid stuff.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it insightful, please like the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on future updates. If you have any questions relating to today's video, please also leave them below. We read all the comments and take on board what our viewers have to say about Alex Collier's work. Remember, your support helps Alex Collier's knowledge and the messages from the Andromedans reach more people. If you'd like to support the channel even more, you can give us a super thanks tip by clicking the heart icon with a $sign. It really helps our team bring you more content. Also, be sure to visit alexcollier.org to sign up for our regular email newsletter. It's the best way to stay updated with the latest news, exclusive content, and upcoming live webinars. For the latest insights from Alex Collier, check out alexcollier.live. And if you want to explore over 250 past webinars, head over to alexcollier.tv. Thank you for being a part of this journey and supporting Alex Collier's work. We couldn't do this without you, and we're genuinely grateful for your support. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the vast mysteries of our universe. If you would like to see the Andromedan contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live online seminar every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information on upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org.